How to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. First then just open Gmail and then just click on your profile here and then click this one, and here we'll find it. Now all you need to do, just click change and select any profile you want here, and that's it, it will be changed. It's easy, or you can take it from Google Photos if you want. And that's how to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.